Welcome to students. Myself, Professor Tejas Patil, working in Civil Engineering Department, SIT Sevai, Yatra. Today we are going to discuss about the basic civil engineering. First of all, we have to see the syllabus or content of this subject. This is the basic civil and mechanical engineering. This subject is the audit course. And what is the audit course? The audit course is nothing but the no any theory exam or oral exam. It's have only assignments. It is the subject for the 50 marks. In this subject, we have to learn the basic civil and also mechanical engineering. That is the half part of basic civil and remaining half part of mechanical engineering. In the basic civil, we have to study the three modules. The first one is the introduction of civil engineering. Second module, building components and building planning, and third module, surveying. And in mechanical engineering, there are the two modules, which is learn with mechanical faculty. In this chapter, we have the one assignment for each module. After the completion of chapter, I will give you the assignment question and you should write in your journal pages. The 25 marks for basic civil and this is the another 25 marks for mechanical engineering. Now we discuss about in detail. The first we have to start the module number 1, that is the meaning of introduction to civil engineer. First module, introduction to civil engineering. This present deals with the introduction to civil engineering. Also we have to learn scope of different fields of civil engineering, that is architecture and town planning, building materials, construction technology, environment engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics, water resource and irrigation engineering, remote sensing, GIS, structural engineering, surveying, and last one is the transportation engineering. We know that any kind of the construction we need the civil engineer. That is the if we design or construction of the architecture or town, we need the civil engineering. Also building materials, also construction in various buildings. Next, as a civil engineer play the role in environmental engineering also, or geotechnical field, also in hydraulics, water supply and demand. Next, drainage system, also in irrigation, that is the agriculture. Also it is the main important part of civil engineering, the structural engineering, to design the structure, that is the RCC, reinforced cement concrete. As next is the surveying, it is the basic or start of the project, the surveying done. And last one is the transportation. It is nothing but the in railway, road, tunnel, dock, harbor, and etc. We have to see in one by one in detail. Next, engineering. What is the meaning of engineering? Ignis means the clever person in Latin. Engineer cleverly uses the available natural resources for the benefit of mankind, provides comfort to mankind and mark life comfortable. Application of scientific and mathematical knowledge and rational thinking to improve living standards. This is the definition of the engineering. What is the engineering? It is the is application of scientific and mathematical knowledge and rational thinking to improve the living standards of the people. This is the most factor or most important play role in the engineering in human being. Next, what is the civil engineering? The civil engineering, it is the oldest branch of engineering next to military engineering. It is the very oldest branch of engineering next to military engineering. All engineering works other than for military purpose were grouped into civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and present day information technology, that is computer technology followed. A professional engineering discipline then deals with the analysis, design, construction and maintenance of infrastructural facilities such as building, bridges, dam and roads, etc. The profession of the engineers or civil engineers, it is the discipline that deals with the various uh, play the role in the, that is the analysis of the building, design of buildings, construction of the building, also maintenance of the building, or also infrastructure facilities such as the buildings, bridges, dam and roads. Next, civil engineering is everywhere. Civil engineering, it is a composite of many specific disciplines that include structural engineering, water engineering, waste material management, and engineering foundation engineering, etc. among many. Next, building big. Building and structure. This is the for the cities. Infrastructure for the transportation. Culture. It is culture or art. It is the architecture or aesthetic view of building and the future without limit or no limit. Then, what is the disciplines of the building? The civil engineering play the role in various section, that is the architecture and town planning, building materials, construction technology, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics and water resources and irrigation engineering, remote sensing and GIS method, structural engineering, surveying, and last one is the transportation engineering. All the disciplines are done by the as a civil engineer. The first type of the disciplines of civil engineers is architecture and town planning. Architecture, first architecture, it is the giving beauty to buildings is architecture. Architecture, it is nothing but the giving the beauty of to buildings. In architecture, we done the work, the enhancing the appearance or aesthetic view of the building, maintaining the heritage. Next, town planning, proper planning of towns and cities, planning the layout, planning the road, separating commercial, residential, academic, and industrial areas, planning green belt, planning sewage disposal units, planning water treatment plants and water storage units. At the time of the planning the towns or cities, as a civil engineer, we have to done the various different work. That is the first is the planning the layout. That is the size and shape of the cities. Next, planning the road. We have to plan the internal road. It is free from the traffic. Next, we have to planning the various zones or separate the zones such as residential zone, commercial zone, academic zone, and industrial zone. Next, planning the green belt. That is the meaning of garden and various oxygen park or playgrounds or Nananini Park such as. Next, planning the sewage disposal units, that is a drainage system. Next, planning of water treatment plants as the for the town humans. It is the requirement of the basic need of the water. We have to we have to should to supply the safe drinking water. And next, water storage units to we have to built up the various water structure or water storage tower for the supply equally and easily distribution of the water to each and every house. Next, building. Next type is the building materials technology. It is a deals with the materials used for construction. In this type of the we have to see the various building materials we have to use of the as in the civil line or civil construction, such as brick, tiles, soil, cement, stone, sand, steel, aggregates, glass, wood, plastic, etc. Include the construction material. Some are natural or many are man-made. At the time of the any type of the building, we have to use the various building materials such as the brick, tiles, soil, cement, stones, sand, steel, aggregates, glass, wood, plywood, plastic, floor, and this is the building materials. As some are the building materials are either uh, natural made or many are the man made. Next, this deals with the proper use of desired material economy and safely. The mechanical properties of these materials shall be sufficient to avoid failure and excessive deformation and provide durability. As per the long life, we have to use the material for the well quality, and also we have to avoid the failure of the material. Next, chemical properties shall be maintained a good environment. Next type is the construction technology and management. It is the deals with the planning, scheduling and execution of construction activity related to a project, comprise of main, material, time and money management. Next, emphasis will be on new construction practice, use of appropriate and local technology, safety of main and material, utilization of marginal materials, etc. Construction technology and management, it is the deals with the as per the status of the or need or requirement of the customer or requirement of the uh, builder, where to done the compare the various main to main material, also time and money of the management. Also we have to emphasize the new construction practice, use of the appropriate and local technology or local famous technology, safety of the main and also material, and utilize the marginal materials or economic materials. Next, construction managers will first review contracts, order materials, hire and schedule the subcontractors. In the construction managers, we have to done the first is the review the contracts between the customer and uh, vendor, that is the builder. And next, order the materials as per the requirement or as per the need of the construction of the building, where to order the material, quality material also. Next, hire and schedule the subcontractors, we have to hiring the scheduling the subcontractors. Next, the job of a construction manager is provide quality control and ensure project is completed on time and within budget. The what is the job of the construction manager? To complete the work with the quality and also in time or on time, and it is a we have to design within the with budget or economy. In this picture we have to see the various structure or construction technology and management. Next, environmental engineering. Environmental, it is the available nature around us. It is includes the life support systems such as water, air and land or soil. Environment, it is nothing but the water, air and land. It is available in the surrounding the nature, surrounding the human beings or everywhere. Environmental engineering deals with the technology to save nature from human and natural abuse and pollution. Environmental engineering, the role is to save the nature from the human or control the pollution, also to control the pollution and natural abuse. The study involves balance the comparison between the environment and safety. In the environmental engineering subject, it is the study involves the balancing between the environment also safety, and it deals with the technique of water collection, purification and supply. That is the technique of the water collection, that is the dams, reservoir, river, lake, canal, and purification of the water and then supply as per the requirement. Next, wastewater collection, treatment and disposal. Wastewater collection, that is the drainage or or various houses and also industrial area where to collect the wastewater and treatment that the polluted water and disposal the wastewater. Next, control of all types of the pollution. The environmental engineers should controlling the all types of the pollution such as the air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and also main important water pollution. This is the environmental versus environmental engineering. This is in this picture is the purification tank. This is known as the air filter. Here we see that the research is the aquifers in the industry zone. This is treatment plant, and also this is the image of the treatment plant. Next types is the geotechnical engineering. All the structures are founded on ground. Forces from the structure are safely transferred to soil, essential to understand ground behavior and interaction between the soil and structure. It is the most important type of the or discipline of the civil engineering subject, the geotechnical engineering. All the buildings are stable in the ground, and after before the starting of the construction of the building, we had to excavation and we check the ground quality, also soil quality of the site, and as per the soil quality we have to decide the which type of the foundation we have to use or execute. That is the geotechnical engineer work. It involves the foundations, slopes, retaining structure, highway pavement designs, embankments and earth dams, tunnels, underground structures and deep cuts. The geotechnical engineering involves the various work such as the foundations of the building, next slopes, next retaining structure, next highway pavement design, that is the road construction, embankments and earth dams, that is the at the time of the construction, dams and reservoir and also canal or etc. Next tunnels, underground structures and deep cuts. This is all the work done by the as a geotechnical engineering. Next, geotechnical engineering to assess the quality of soil and rock to carry the structure. We check the quality of the soil or the rock of the foundation and to carry the structure or construct the structure. Next, proper knowledge of the geotechnical engineer is necessary for safety and stability of structure. It is a very important for the safety of and also stability of the structure purposes. This is already done in the geotechnical engineering subject. Here we see that the various foundation work done in the underground or below the ground. It is a JCB, and after the excavation, the JCB are place the soil in the in the truck. Here is seen that the retaining structure. Here is seen that the piling for the foundation is all the work done by the geotechnical engineer, that is the civil engineer. In this picture we have to see the load coming from the superstructure. That is the structure is known as the above the ground. The all the types of the structure is known as the superstructure. The load coming from the superstructure, it resists the load without resist this load or forces without failure and excessive deformation. That time this building or this structure will be stable. This is the work done by the geotechnical engineer. Now here we stop here today. In the next lecture we have to discuss the another types of the or another subjects of the civil engineer. Thank you so much.